Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to put Picsart stickers on messages. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Picsart app first, and we need to simply click on this create icon over here from the bottom, and click on the search icon, and we can see stickers option over here. You can search for any type of stickers you would like to see or share. So let's go and choose this one. So you can make the changes and edit it and make it as per your need, and simply click on this tick mark over here in the top right. Now make sure you export it and save it in the gallery. Once you have saved it, to share it in messages, you can simply go to Messenger or any of your messaging apps and simply share it. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.